Hello everyone, welcome to Arduino tutorial 1, Introduction to Arduino Kit, in which we will discuss about Arduino and the components used to make Arduino projects. So what Arduino is, it is an open source platform microcontroller used to make interactive projects, or you can say a self-learning kit in which you will wire the circuit, program the board and make your own projects. To make the projects, you will need some couple of things like LEDs, a 5-volt DC motor, 7-segment display, a relay, shift resistor, or a LCD screen to display the message. These are all output devices. As an input device, you will need a potentiometer, LDR, or micro switch, and etc. To wire up the circuit, you will need the breadboard on which you will do your wiring, and finally Arduino board. So let's understand what Arduino is. So here is my Arduino board, and Arduino has couple of series like Arduino Duo, Leonardo, LilyPad and many more. The series I am using is Arduino Uno series, and the inbuilt microcontroller in Arduino Uno is at Mega 328. Okay, Arduino Uno has 14 digital input-output pins of 8-bit resolution, in which 6 pins are PWM pins, 2 pins are receiver and transmitter pins, and there are also 2 interrupt pins, which is generally pin number 2 and pin number 3. So here you will connect your digital input output devices like LEDs, motors, LCD. Okay, and Arduino has also 6 analog input channel of 10-bit resolution, in which you will connect your analog devices like LDR, potentiometer, joystick and many more you want to connect. Okay, so here is my USB port and 5-volt DC power jack. Okay, so this is my reset button to reset your Arduino board. Okay, that's all about Arduino. Now let's discuss about our breadboard. This is my breadboard, a full-size breadboard, and this yellow line shows how vertical columns and horizontal rows are shorted internally. Suppose if I have to short these 2 blocks, then I have to just connect the wire between 2 blocks. Okay, and different size of breadboard available are breadboard mini. This is my mini breadboard. This is my tiny breadboard. This is my half size breadboard. Okay, so let's do our first program. Okay.